How to send mail from Excel to Outlook. So here I am in the Microsoft Excel application, and I also have the Outlook application open right here. So from here, if you want to send email using Microsoft Excel so that it will be received in Microsoft Outlook, we can go ahead and write a code for that or a script. So from here, we need to use the developer tab in the Microsoft Excel. So here is the developer tab. So if you don't have that yet, you can just go to file, go to options. From here, go to customize ribbon, and then just make sure that the developer tab is turned on. From there, we're going to use Visual Basic. So before that, we can just go ahead and write the details of the email right here. So we can put the to field, the subject field, and then the body field. So from here, we can go ahead and enter the details. So for example, I'll send this to my other Outlook account. And then we can put the subject. So I'm just going to put this email sent from Excel. And then for the body, I'm just going to put Excel to Outlook. So I'm just going to put this as the body. So from here, now what we can do is that we can open Visual Basic. So from here, we need to write our code. And then here is the code. So you can just go ahead and pause the video and copy this. Or if you want a bigger look, I have this right here. So just go ahead and pause the video, copy this code. Then we're going to use this code for our Visual Basic script. So from here, as you can see, it takes the value of the B1, B2, and B3 fields, which is our two subject and body fields. So you can go ahead and see that again right here. So from here, what we're going to do is that we're going to add a module for our VBA project book 1. So what you can do is that you can highlight this project, then click insert, then click module. From here, we can go ahead and paste the code right here. So just copy the code, or you can write it down, paste it right here. And now we can go back to Microsoft Excel. So from here, what we need to do is that we need to add a button to send the email. So you can just click insert right here, click button. From here, we have our button, and then just choose this one, the send email from Excel. From there, click OK. So that it uses the name send email from Excel right here. So if you want to change the name, you can go ahead and do that. But I just went with this name right here so that it's easy to identify. Then for the text, we can put send email right here. And then we can go ahead and try this out. So you can also save the Microsoft Excel file right here. And then when you save the Microsoft Excel file, it will also save the code that you created right here for the module of our send email from Excel button. So from here, we can just go ahead and click send email. Then now that email will now be sent in Outlook. So here I have Outlook right here, and then I'm supposed to receive it in this account. So as you can see, we now received the email, and then as you can see, it has the same subject and body, which is test email sent from Excel, and then this is a test email sent from Excel to Outlook. So when we go ahead and go to Outlook, we can see we have the same subject, and then we have the same body. And then that is it. So that is how we can send an email using Microsoft Excel to Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.